We're going to put the banner in right here. Let's go to our, oh, here we go. We got our image right here. Let's snag that image. See what the height of it is. Height 443. Let's save it. File, export, save for web and devices. JPEG 100%, that's fine. Save. Let's, oh, banner image is already there, but I didn't put in the tagline, so I'm going to overwrite this one. Click on that and press replace. Awesome. Let's go back. There we go. And we said it was 4. Oh geez, I forgot. Let's see. I did a Control Z to go back. 443. 443. 443. 443. Just gonna snag this one. 443. You gotta remember that. Sometimes you have to have a little scrap of paper to remember numbers. I'm not gonna have a padding. Margin 0 pixels auto, that's fine. We're going to name this banner. Text align center, we don't need a line text, we don't need a background color, but we are going to need a div that has the background color of that blue. Let's see if this works before we do anything else. Let's go back. Alright, here we got our banner here. Let's take this right here, copy, paste that here, and then put a closing div, because we're going to still use that blue, right? Inside the banner, we're going to get an image, and I'm going to put that in there. I don't need the hyperlink. If you want to, you can do a hyperlink, but and then you might have that hyperlink to another page. Banner underscore image, right? Is that what we called it? Let's save it. Let's go to, let's see if that worked. Refresh. Okay, it pushed some stuff over. Pushed it over here. I don't have the background. All right, so let's figure out what's going on here. I open this div, I close this one. I open this one, I close that one. That one's good. Open this one, I close this one. Okay, so maybe banner is not an HTML tag for CSS. So let's do div class equals banner, quotation marks, save. Let's go to our CSS and let's put a dot there for a class. Let's save that. Let's go back to and refresh. Let's see if it worked. It worked. All right. So why is this blue coming down a little bit and not all the way? Well, let's put that blue in the background then. Let's do background of blue. Oh, if we wanted to do, oh, we got to do the height of that too. This is going to be blue too, not because this one already has a set height of like 81, right? We're going to set this to 443. So let's go, let's save that. Let's go over here and let's snag this. Put it down here. And I'm going to put it 2. And then this is 443, right? And then let's get rid of margin 0. That's fine. Save. Let's refresh this page. There we go. There's the blue. Awesome. Okay, so now we have our banner image in there. And if I were to take the browser and bring it this way, it would look cool. There we go. And then bring it this way. Oh, look at that happy family. They're going to get their clean. Oh, they got their teeth cleaned already. Beautiful smiles for beautiful families. Awesome. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the information up here. What is this? I wonder what this text is there. That's bugging me. Let's go back. Let's find out what font this is. Myriad Pro. Let me copy that. Let me see if Myriad Pro is a font. Let's go up to Nav A font family. Let's do Myriad Pro. Then I'll write Arial, and I'll put quotation marks. See, the first name is going to be Myriad Pro, and if it doesn't find that, it'll find Arial, and if it doesn't find that, it'll find a sans serif on the computer. Save, and let's go back to this and refresh. Let's see if it changes it. No, it still looks like that. Do I want to make it a little bit bigger? Yeah, I might want to make that a little bit bigger. font dash size. Would that work? Let me see. I'm always trying because I forget. Text font size, font sizes. Let's see. How will I font style? No, I don't want that. I want size, font size. Okay, it is right. Okay. Font size, let's go with 125% more than what it is now. Refresh. Ooh, it's too big. Too big. Let's go with 110. 10% bigger. I like that. That looks good. Digging it. Digging it. Also, I think I have more space over here than I do over here. And I think that's because the margin is on the right. So I'm going to do nav A. I'm going to do 15 on the right and 15 on the left. So it centers it better. Refresh. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. I could probably even, let's see if I can put a little bit more than 15. Let's do 20 and 20. Or let's do 18 and 18. I don't want to go too far. There we go. That's beautiful. I love it. That looks good. All right. So now we got to do our top up here. All right. So let's go back to our HTML. Let's save this. Okay, we already saved it, right? I'm going to push this in. I'm going to tab it. I'm going to tab these in so I see they're nested correctly. It's in the nav. There we go. And nested it. There we go, nav. So I can see where I'm at very simply and easily. There we go. Save it. Looking good. Looking good. All right. So up here, div class logo. We're gonna do copy that. Tab, paste it, and instead of logo, I'm gonna write address, or even so I'll write phone, and then close the div. And then inside that, I'm going to put our information, right? We're going to have the Facebook image, right? Image source equals images / Facebook.jpg. I haven't made it. I'm going to make it. And I'm going to want a link to the Facebook page, right? Let's put http://www.facebook.com. And I want it to open up a new page. Target equals _ blank. Save that. Let's do the next line, which would be call. Let me see what it says. It says call us today. I'm just going to snag that text. Copy it. Paste it right here. I want to make sure I have a BR tag. It's on the next line down, right? So, oops. I am messing up left and right. Hold on a second. Tab, BR. Oh, caps locked. Not good. BR / All right, let's copy that. Let's paste it. I'm going to do a couple of BR tags. And we're going to get the address. Copy. Paste it in there. Akron, Ohio is going to go here. Get rid of this. There we go. Let's save it. Let's see what it looks like so far in the browser. Refresh. It's down here. Why is it down here? We got to get the we get to tell the logo and the phone and the CSS what to do. All right, header, phone, I'm going to put a dot there. Let's copy that. And then this one is going to be, oh wait a second, logo and phone, sorry. Logo, we already have one for logo, right? We don't have one for logo. Let's do that. We just put an image in and phone, right? Logo and phone, okay. Logo has a width, let's snag that, a width of, what was the width of our logo? See, it takes a while to get a website done. Width is 493. 493 width. Background color, we don't need one. Let's save that. We also need to do a float left. Let's take all this and paste it inside the phone. And we're not going to do a width of 493. Let's do a width of 600 or 500 for now. 500 and 993 make more than 990. Let's make this 450. And let's put a color in there too. Let's do a color of gray for now so we can see what we're doing. Float left. Now when we do float lefts, we also have to have a dot clear both. Clear the floats, right? Clear both. I usually take that and put it at the top after the body tag so I know I have it. Save it. And then I need to go into here, and after this div, I need to put a clear both. And then close the div. So that takes these floating divs and stops them. Save it. And I like to take that and just put that just for, you know, I like to use it over and over again. You can put it here if you want. I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't hurt to put them in there. It's not really anything except for stopping the floats if you have floats in those areas, which is nice. So let's go back and refresh. Let's see what happens. Okay, it didn't float to the left, and it pushed this over. This is fun. Okay, so now I gotta troubleshoot. I gotta figure out why it's not working. Clear both. We have our nav in here. Oh, that was for the nav. It's up here. Okay. Phone is to the right. You know, it might be too big. Let's go back and let's do phone width of. Oh, I didn't put 450. Let's put 400 for now. But why is it not working? Oh, number's locked on. There we go. Save. Refresh. There we go. Now I need to take this this information and put it to the right side, right? So it's working. I got to push it down a little bit and push it to the right. So text align, right? Is that where we're at now? Text align. Copy that. Let's go to our phone and put it in, and then say text align to the right. Save. Refresh. All right, it's on the right side now. Woohoo! Yeah. Let's push it down from the top a little bit. Let's look at our Photoshop. Let's close that. We don't need that anymore. It comes down a little bit. I would say that's 20 pixels down or 15, and then it comes over this way a little bit too. Let's you know, it's easy to do. If I bring this to right here, I can find out 25 and 12. 25 width and 12 height. Height is 12. So height for my phone would be, height is margin 12 pixels on the top. On the right is going to be 25. What did it say? I always forget. God, my brain. It's 12 and 25. Okay, good. We're good. And then 0 on the bottom and 0 on the left. Save that, and let's see if our box moved down to the left a little bit. Let's refresh. Okay, it didn't. Oh, I want to have it float to the right. I'm sorry. I am not doing it right, am I? Logo phone. Text to line right. We need to have this float to the right. So it goes right against the side. Save. Refresh. There we go. Why isn't it not coming down, though? I already told the margin of the phone to... Oh, I got 2 margins here. Let me get rid of that margin. And logo, margin 0 pixels, auto. Let's get rid of that. Save. Refresh. There we go. It came down. It's beautiful. It's a win! All right. We're going to fix this up, and then I'll go to the next video. So let's get our Facebook picture. Let's make this file sport, save for web, save. I'm going to name it facebook.jpg. It's in our images folder, save. Let's go back to the browser and see if it worked. Refresh. Hey, there it is. And if you click on it, it takes you to Facebook. All right. So that's done. We can get rid of the background of the gray now. Is it phone background gray? Let's get rid of that. Save, refresh. There we go. So it's looking good, looking good, looking good. I want to get that green on that font right there of Call Us Today, and then we want to do, I think I'm going to do all body text is this Myriad Pro. I'm going to snag it right off of that and put it right on the body. So everything has it. Save, refresh. There we go. All text will have that look now for the whole entire body. So I don't have to put it on every div, which is great. All right, so going back to Photoshop, let's go back, zoom out. What is this color right here? That is this color. That's this one right here. C0E13A, copy. And let's go in and say that anything that is, let me just press that down, so just needed to paste that for a second. Let's copy that, let's paste it, and let's say that anything that has a class of green will be the color of this. Let's get rid of that. Save that, green. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys something new. I'm going to call this a span tag. Span is just like a div, but you can use it for small stuff like this. Very, very small stuff. I'm going to call this green. Save it. And let's refresh. Let's see if it worked. Refresh. It works! Yay! All right. And that's green. And do we want to do green? Green italic. Italic. Let's copy that. Green italic does that. And font style. Font style, font styles, we had them up here, right? Font style, normal, italic, and I want it to be bold too, right? Save that, let's refresh. What exactly? Green italic is going to be Go here. I gotta do green italic. Save. Refresh. Okay, it's got the italicized, but now I want it to be bigger. Want to be, come down here and I want to snag that font size 110 and do it right here. Save. Refresh. There we go. That's looking good. I want it to go a little bit bigger though. Do I? Let me see. It's pretty big, isn't it? And it's bold. So I want to do font style. I want to see if bold works. Bold. Save. Refresh. Don't think that worked. Let's see. Oblique. What does oblique do? Let's see what happens. Let me put oblique. Oops. Oblique. Save. Refresh. It made it even more italic. I don't want that. I just want italic. But I want it to be bold. So let me go back to my fonts here. And font size, font size, font size, font size, font size, font weight, bold. All right. Now we're cooking. So font size, font weight, save, refresh. There we go. And I want it to be a little bit bigger than 110. Let's do 120. Refresh. That's looking better. Let's go a little bit bigger than that. Let's do 130. See how you troubleshoot constantly over and over and over again? I'm digging that now. Okay, cool. All right. So what color is this? This is the blue. So what does that blue? All right, we got that color, blue. So we need to do a blue color now. So we did green. Let's do blue as a color. Let's go back here. Let's snag that color number. That color number is 429BC7. Save that. And let's go to our HTML now. Let's take the span tag and let's put it right before 123. And then after the zip code, we'll close the span tag because we want this part and this part to be blue. Save it. Refresh. Oh yeah, now it's blue. But we want it to be bigger than that, right? Let me see. And we want it to be italic. So let's snag this again and put blue here. Color. Snag that. Italic font size, let's say 120. And we don't want bold. And we need to close. I forgot to get that tag. If we don't do that, it's not going to work right. Let's refresh the page. Didn't work. Did I save it? Save. Oh, I need to put blue italic. I don't want blue italic. I want italic because it's italic, right? Don't mind me. I'm just talking to myself. Troubleshooting. That's what we do. Instead of blue, we need blue italic. Save and refresh. And now that's what I'm talking about. Isn't that great?